Are you wondering how you can best utilize three-way calling in your network marketing business? Then make sure you tune in today as I share with you some of the best ways to use three-way calls in your business and how you can do that today. Hey Pyjama Bosses, this is Masa, and I want to share with you why it is so important to use three-way calls in your network marketing business, first of all. Well, these are some of the best tools we have to actually create success, but I feel because, three-way calls have been around for a few decades. They're some of the oldest ways to actually build this business. We actually sometimes overlook how important they are and how great they are, because they actually save us a lot of time, energy, and money. For example, when we're actually validating the opportunity or closing a business on a three-way call, we're actually doing a few things all at the same time. Number one, we actually have a lot of leverage. For example, we can be actually answering questions to a prospect, so we're closing or getting them started, but at the same time, because we have our team member on the call, this actually provides extra value to them because they're learning at the same time. Not only that, they're super cool for duplication. You see, as I have three-way calls that I'm doing with my team, with my prospects, guess what? I am actually leading by example. I'm not only teaching my team how to do my business, but I'm doing my business in front of them so I can model it. And that's why three-way calling is so important. Now, in today's modern day and age, you can do three-way calls not just on the phone, but there's so many applications on your phone that you can actually do this through, starting right from Skype and different communication applications, even through Facebook Messenger and many other things. So it's all about just live talking to three people at the same time. Now, the most important type of three-way call we all know is the closing three-way call, right? Which is the one where we have a prospect and a team member and yourself, or perhaps you're the team member and you have the upline and a prospect. And this is kind of the decision triangle that I call it, which is the perfect environment where the prospect will be much more likely to actually make a decision. There's super, super important three-way calls that are not validation or closing three-way calls. And for example, when your team goes missing in action, you can reignite them by actually doing three-way calls with your team members and asking them to connect them and yourself to other team members that they've gone missing in action. Okay, so reignition, reigniting your team. Also, building towards an event. For example, you could get a team member on a three-way call with different prospects they have and actually just confirming they're going to attend an event, or this could be actually team members that you're actually talking to other team members with. So three-way calling, there's so many different ways that you can use that. And I really feel that if you're not using three-way calls today, you're probably leaving a lot of money on the table. So make sure that you start implementing three-way calling in your business and that you do that today. Now, if you've learned something today, make sure you like this video and you share it with your team straight away. And if you'd like to go deeper into this topic of three-way calling and how to actually use them to create 6- and 7-figure network marketing businesses, make sure you check out our three-way call master code training program. It's an extensive three-way program that is based on 10 years of experience. So make sure you go and check the link that I'm going to give you right now in this video, and I will see you on the other side. Bye for now.